Okay, so I had a friend who asked me a really important question about, can my potential on the inside, what if I don't live up to my potential, and what if the stories in my head stop me from achieving what it is I hope to achieve? And the answer to that is, which I think you probably already know and we all know inside, is that you just have to go do it. There's no secret to doing it, it's just doing it. Okay, my name is Borisa and I've always wanted to play like the guitar for a show, and like today is my big day and I'm going to perform. Okay, I'm so excited. Go! Many times what we're afraid of, we're afraid what people think, or people like, look at, we got these people, like, look at, shoot these ladies, they're looking at me while I'm talking, smile. People are gonna look at you, they're gonna have their opinions, it's fine. The real thing is believing in yourself that you can actually go and do it. So today on this video, I jam out in New York City, do some crazy shit, all on the path of being able to achieve what it is you hope to achieve, what you secretly really want to do, but are too afraid to do it. So check me out, whether I'm making a fool of myself, whether you think it's funny. This is me pursuing my own dream, and hope it inspires you to pursue yours. So I'll see you on the air guitar, folks. Peace.